Yeah, so finally it's time for the moment that I can't say everyone, but at least I have been waiting for a long time, and Kawasaki should work now. And this is the first test ride, so I'm going to see what's going to fall from the bike and what's going to broke. Hopefully nothing, but I'm prepared to everything. Well, I don't have backpack, that I don't have any tools with me. It should start like röpöttävä toi käynti. Fill gas firstly to the nearby gas station, so if the bike is going to broke, I can push it back to the garage. My friend is very angry, or maybe not. There is some dust. I can go. Nice. It's nice to drive with the, or ride with the Kawasaki. I have my blinkers, so my friend knows when I'm turning, and I have brand new front tire, so I try to be careful. Damn, this is so nice bike. I have missed this bike. I mean, this is not the best bike. This is like a wobbling and there's all kinds of sound and everything, but I really like to ride with this Kawasaki. And the noise. I mean, this is so fucking loud bike. Good God. Ooh. This is so much more fun to ride compared to the Honda. I can't say that there's anything wrong with the Honda, but this is just so much more different bike. Ooh, I hear rattling noise. Ah, the bike is working as it should be. Ah, bumps hit so much more in the Kawasaki compared to the Honda. I put the visor down so you can hear me. Hear me better. Let's go right from here. The gears are a little bit heavy. Or maybe I'm not just used to this bike. This steers now good. I put the new steering bearings, or steer bearing, to the front, and now this steers like a dream. Like a new bike, I can say. Haha! So much fun, so much fun. Oi että. Oi se kola. Mikä on homman nimi? On muuten pikkasen appelsiinita perä, kun katsoo tästä suunnasta.
Mikä?
Pikkasen appelsiinita perä, katsoo täältä suunnasta. This has very wide turn radius. Damn, this is fun again. The clutch isn't working as it's supposed to be. The bike makes so fucking loud noise. Everything is great. I mean, everything is great.
Great again!
This is so badass bike to ride. I think my friend is worrying how I'm doing on the back. Are we going to turn? Maybe, maybe not. Yes. I don't know why the gears aren't going like they're supposed to be. Oh, they are working much better. I don't know if it's just cold oil or something. Maybe. How fun! Even the driving position or riding position is so much leaning to the forward and hands are so wide, and I really like this bike. I mean, I don't think I'm going to never sell this bike. Let's put visor up. Sorry if there is some wind noise, but it's much more fun to ride when the visor is up. I wear almost every time sunglasses when I'm riding, so I can put the visor up, even though the Bandit is more cool looking when the visor is down, but I like the visor up. Yeah. Going to stop here. This is fun bike to ride. Red light, red light. I have no idea what the Lauri is waving. I just go front. The ride in the Kawasaki is so hard. I can feel every bump and every mark on the road. Everything just strikes to my bottom. And my hands are getting tired even from this time of riding. Tuleeks mukaan Niiko vähän ääni taaksepäin?
En mä kattonut tämmösää.
Paukkuu tyhjäkäynnillä ihan vitusti. Tää niinku paukkuu tyhjäkäynnillä, tiiäks semmosia.
No. Varmaan siis kaasari sykkää.
Niin varmaan tyhjäkäynnissä vaikuttaa eniten, niin joku saa vähän liikaa bensaa, niin pian meretulpat. This is maybe the loudest bike I have ever ridden. The exhaust is firing all the time. My friend was complaining that he can't hear his own revs on the bike because this is so fucking loud. Better used to that. Center of the Turku, or city center of the Turku. I really like to live in the Turku. This is great city. This makes so fucking loud noise. Good times, good times. Nice weather, everything is good. I have been waiting to ride this bike for 6 months. When the Honda CBR is working, I'm going to learn how to wheelie with that bike. This is just much more violent bike compared to the Honda. And this is just not the easiest bike to ride. be careful. Ooh.
Toistakin soi hiljaa.
Joo. Jos tuuletin päälle.
Käytännöllinen.
Yeah, the bike is very low. I have to go so slowly on these bumps. Especially this one. All the liquids are inside the bike. That's always good. And it's working. Well, quite good. Oh, this is all loosened. Let's put that one back on. I think there is many screws in the bike which are very loose right now. I have to check everything when I'm back at the garage. But yeah, so fun bike to ride. And I really like the looks of this bike. Yeah.